Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe. So today, let me wait to get in my car real quick. Good morning, you guys. So I'm really sorry about that. I was walking to my car, but welcome back to another vlog. I am really excited to vlog my week. Like I said, I was going to split it in two because it was just getting really long. But today is Wednesday, March 10th. March 10th, yeah. And I am currently on my way, well, I'm gonna go to Bath & Body Works to return something again. I just realized I didn't like the scent, the Key West one. It was just too strong and like smelled weird on my body chemistry, so I'm gonna return that and maybe exchange it for something else and maybe go to Victoria's Secret. I'm also going to be doing some really hardcore studying today. I didn't really show it much in my last vlog, but I did study. I just wanted to put it in this vlog, so that's why I kind of waited. But one thing about me is that I can only study at nighttime, which I know sounds weird, but I just can't focus when like it's bright outside. I like it to be like darker outside for me to study. Anyone else like that, or is it just me? But yeah, so I'm gonna start studying at like 4 or 4:30. Right now it's almost 12, so I have some free time. I usually like to just take the time right now to just like do some schoolwork or get some errands done. I already did finish all my assignments and I already posted them. I woke up early this morning to do that. But now I'm going to Bath & Body Works and returning this stuff. Also, an update on my nails, the fake press-on nails. I actually really love them. They feel really sturdy. The glue is really good. Like normally press-on nails like flip off and fling off all the time, but it has been like 3 days and these are still going really strong. So just wanted to update you guys on that. I'm also not going to be wearing makeup in these next few vlogs because my skin needs a break and I'm just lazy, and when it's like finals week or like close to finals week, I don't ever like to wear makeup. So you guys are going to be seeing my bare face a lot. But yeah, why don't we just go ahead and go, and I will try to film inside. So I'm back and I actually bought some stuff at Victoria's Secret because I did exchange my thing at Bath & Body Works, and then I had a coupon for Victoria's Secret, and I just love the new line so freaking much that I had to buy more. It's also raining, so I'm sorry if you can hear that. So I bought this pomegranate and lotus body wash, and then I bought the green cucumber and green tea one, the spray, because I need it to match my scents. And the scent smells so amazing and so refreshing. I'm kind of sad I passed up on it the first time, but I just thought since I had the green pear and citrus, I thought they smelled similar, but they don't. And then finally, I just picked up this Victoria's Secret pomegranate and lotus balance mist. And I know I said I wasn't gonna get this one either because I have something similar, but I really want to like show you guys my pomegranate scented body routine, so I needed it. So that's what I got. Now I need to go to Rite Aid or like a drugstore or something to find some paper for school, because I'm all out of line paper and I still write notes. Like that's the way I study, is I just write down all the notes. So that's where we're going next. Hopefully they have what I need, and hopefully it stops raining because I hate going out when it's raining and I don't have a hood. So yeah, I'm back home now and I'm sitting on the floor because I want to show you guys, I guess, a Rite Aid haul. You guys probably don't really care, but this is my bag from Rite Aid. I got random stuff. I got some printer paper because I need paper to write notes. They didn't have any line paper, but that's okay because I actually do enjoy writing my notes on blank sheets of paper. And then I got, okay, so my toilet is getting really disgusting. so I need to clean it. So I bought this toilet bowl cleaner, and at Rite Aid, I probably shouldn't have gone to Rite Aid for this. They didn't have the little scrubber, like the actual toilet bowl scrubber, so I had to get this dish scrubber. So I'm just gonna use this. I don't know how to adult, so don't take advice from me. But I also bought some gloves, like latex gloves, so that my hands wouldn't touch it. I mean, if you think about it, this is like the same thing as a toilet bowl scrubber. It's just like a little bit smaller. Hopefully it'll get in the nooks and crannies. I don't know. And then I just got some like Easter chocolate. So I got these marshmallow eggs. Looked pretty good, and I love Easter candy. And then I also got some Starbucks because, like I said, I need to finish up all my dining dollars before they expire, because then that's just like a waste. Like, I'm not utilizing my school's money. So that's why I keep getting Starbucks and stuff like that, so that I can just use up this money. I normally wouldn't like buy Starbucks every day like that. I'm not that addicted to coffee, but since it's like pretty much free, I'm just gonna get it. And some of you guys are asking for my order. I get an iced vanilla blonde latte with 3 pumps of white mocha and add sweet cream cold foam. I love the foam. It makes it taste so good. So I'm gonna drink that, and then now I'm gonna try to clean my toilet and hope this works out. I will show you guys what it looks like when I'm done.
I never cared much for the traffic in Midtown, so I moved down south. I don't know where you are now. It's getting exhausting trying to imagine settling down when it's already happened. A piece of my heart is stuck in Manhattan. The last 4 years.
So I just finished cleaning, and I also took like a quick little body shower and changed my clothes because I felt kind of like dirty after like cleaning everything. But hopefully you guys liked seeing that little montage. I feel like it's always so satisfying to like see time lapses of people cleaning. But I'm waiting on my Amazon package to get here. I don't know if it's here yet. It's supposed to be here by 10 p.m. Yeah, so it's still not here. I actually got some LED lights for my room, like the stick-on ones, because I feel like my room light is just not bright enough sometimes, and it drives me nuts. Especially when I like want to like vlog at night, it just gets really annoying. So I bought those. Hopefully the whole thing fits around. I got 50 feet, and I live in a pretty small room, so I think it should be good. But if not, that's gonna look really, really ratchet. But yeah, I'm excited for that to come in. I'm also going to show you guys like how I put that on. So I will talk to you guys when that comes in. It should come in within the next few hours. So I'm just waiting here now. So I'm gonna go take a shower now, but I wanted to share my products that I'm using for the shower today. So I'm gonna start off using this pomegranate and lotus balance moisturizing body wash from Victoria's Secret that I just got. It smells literally like candy. I'm obsessed. It's so good. And along with that, I'm gonna actually use a scrub today, and I'm gonna use this Dove exfoliating body polish. This has pomegranate seeds and shea butter, so it should go really nicely. And then for moisturizer, I'm gonna use Forever Red. This has pomegranate in here, fiery pomegranate, so I figured it goes well with that. And then my Dove 0% aluminum pomegranate and lemon deodorant, and of course my pomegranate and lotus body mist. So that is what I'm using today. And also, I forgot to share with you guys, Victoria's Secret gave me a free hand sanitizer. They gave me a free one also the last time I went, and this one is honey pomelo or pomelo, I don't know how to say that. And then this one is guava pear. This one smells really, really good. So I'm really happy I got these for free. I mean, these are great to just keep in your bag or your car or whatnot. So those are the hygiene products of the day and my scent of the day.
Lonely days and sleepless nights since you spoke out and hurt my pride, yeah. There's no need to say sorry. I can't get you off my mind, and you can't tell me this don't feel right, yeah. I know that you want me.
So I'm almost done with my one lecture of notes. I'm like halfway done, but I just wanted to share with you guys what my notes look like. So I actually love writing on blank pieces of paper without lines because I can just like fit so much more and not have to worry about like the lines and stuff like that. And also like the holes on the side, which I love. But what I do is I usually, for this class, this is an evolution class, I write the topic we're talking about in green because there's like lecture outlines. I write like somewhat important words in blue, and then I always write the examples in purple because in this class they heavily test on like the examples that they give in the lectures. And then of course in red, these are like important definitions or topics that I like to write. And I will also just like underline things, and yeah, I don't really highlight anymore because I hate when the ink bleeds to the side, but yeah. So let's just ignore the fact that I look crusty right now. I realize that, but as you guys saw, I showed you guys how I kind of write my notes. I also just want to give another like study tip. I would recommend not studying in your room if like you have a hard time studying in your room, because for me at least, my brain associates my room with like sleeping and being lazy and watching videos and watching TV. So when I'm in there studying, yes, I have a desk in there, but when I'm in there studying, that's like all I can think about, and I end up just like laying in bed. So I study in my kitchen because this is just like the place that my brain associates studying with, so I know I have to study. And I just love this like big open table here. But I'm really happy right now because we just got our grades back for our second midterm. That midterm was like a few weeks ago, but it took him a while to grade just because there were some free response and stuff like that. But I'm really happy because when I finished that exam, I felt terrible. Like I was like, there's no way I did good on this. Like I don't even think I got like a C, like genuinely. That's how I felt. Like I was like, I probably got like a 30% on this because the questions were just so hard, and there were a lot of like multiple answer questions where it's like check all that apply, and if you choose one of the wrong ones, the whole question is wrong. You don't get partial credit. So I felt so nervous, and towards the last 5 minutes of the exam, I had like a bunch of questions that I needed to still get to, and I just started checking random ones. And I got my grade back, and I did pretty good, you guys. Like, I'm really happy. I did a lot better than I thought. I got higher than the class average, which is really good. So I'm just really, really happy and proud of myself. Like, I mean, it probably had to do with luck, so I'm just like, thank you to the universe for giving me some good luck. But yeah, I just wanted to like share that good news because like that made me just super motivated to study and work hard for the rest of the quarter or for the rest of this week. But I'm gonna get back to studying. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day, Thursday, and I actually did have a late start on the day because I was up like really late studying until like 4:30, and I didn't sleep till like 5. So I woke up at 11 today, which I'm not the proudest of, but I let myself sleep in more when it's finals week and stuff. I got an Amazon package, and I'm really excited. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Someone needs to like teach me how to open a box because I'm not the best. Ooh, yes. I'm so excited. I got some neon like strip lights. Let's see. I'm gonna put them up now because I'm really excited. So it comes with a little plugs, and how do you do this? You just rip the tape off. Okay, I think you put it through here. So I finally finished putting it up. It kind of looks stupid right here because I couldn't reach this part to go all the way around that corner, so it looks kind of dumb, but overall I think it's so cute. I love the purple one. I love the white color. It's beautiful. It's been a little while later since I've filmed or I last talked to you guys, and first off, look at how beautiful my room lighting looks. I'm so happy about it, and it just makes me feel like I'm like in a mood and like in a vibe, you know what I mean? But I got another package. I got an Ulta package. There's nothing in this box because I took it out, but I got all my tree hut scrubs. I'm gonna be filming a separate video on that, so I don't want to show you guys the products, but it'll probably be out before this vlog is out. I also got this really cool like Bath and Body Works mailing thing, and inside there were these little cards that have a free gift up to $7.50 value and a 20% off your entire purchase coupon. So I'm gonna save these because you guys know I shop at Bath and Body Works all the time, and who's gonna pass up a free gift? You know, like I want a free gift. So I'm definitely gonna be using those once I'm done with finals as like a little treat to myself. I mean, I always treat myself, which is why I got those scrubs, because that was kind of like my pre-finals like gift to myself. I don't know, it just makes finals a lot less stressful and a little bit more doable. I mean, either way it's gonna get done, but I just like to like treat myself during finals week, and so that's what I did. So I'm probably just gonna chill for like an hour until my next class. I have 2 classes today. I have my evolution discussion and my microbiome discussion. So yeah, I mean, those are always like pretty simple classes because we're just doing a presentation in micro, but I already did my presentation, so I'm just watching other people's. And then for evolution, we have a quiz today, but I studied pretty hard for it yesterday, so I don't feel too nervous. Also, my scent of the day today is Raspberry Jam Donut from Bath and Body Works. I watched Natalie Grace's new video that she posted today, which was her favorite body mist, her current favorite body mist or something like that. And she mentioned Raspberry Jam Donut, and I was like, wow, this is a perfect time to wear it because it's like gloomy outside, and I love a warm, sweet, sugary fragrance for the cold weather. So that is my scent of the day. I'm gonna chill, like I said, and I'll talk to you guys probably when I am studying. So yeah. So I just finished my first class and it was pretty good, pretty informational, but do you guys hear that? It's like hailing and it looks like the world is about to end if you look outside my window. I filmed some of it when it was like actually hailing. My tripod is in the way, but like look at how gloomy it looks outside. Tell me this doesn't look creepy. I'm not leaving my room anymore because I'm scared to go out. But it looks so sad and gloomy. I also really have to do my laundry so freaking bad. It's like piled up, but I don't think I can even get to that this week. Like I'm probably gonna have to wait until my finals are done. I have a bunch of clothes and underwear, but it's just the fact that like it doesn't look cute with all the clothes piled up. But I mean, that's just not my priority right now. My priority is studying and getting my stuff done. But I'm gonna log on to my second class and then I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's future me here, and I totally forgot to end the vlog off because I was so exhausted, but thank you guys so much for watching my vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!